In today's video, I'm going to teach you simple Etsy Shopify integration, Cedcommerce tutorial. By the end, you'll have the Cedcommerce Etsy app installed in your Shopify admin, and you'll be ready to connect your Etsy shop. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store and signed in with the right account, so your changes apply where you expect. From the Shopify sidebar, head to Apps. This is where we'll find and add the integration you need. In the Apps area, use the search to type Etsy Integration, CED. When you see the app appear, select it. It may be listed as Etsy Marketplace Integration by Cedcommerce. Opening the app listing takes you to a page with the app details, screenshots, features, and permissions. Here, just follow the highlighted prompts on screen to proceed. You might see buttons like Add App, Get App, or Continue. The idea is to move forward through the listing until Shopify asks you to install. When the Shopify install prompt appears, click Install. This confirms that you're allowing the app to connect to your store and access the permissions it needs, like reading products and managing orders. Don't be surprised if you're asked to click Install more than once. Shopify sometimes shows a second confirmation screen to finalize access, and Cedcommerce may also present its own confirmation. Each time you see the Install button, go ahead and confirm to continue. Once installation completes, you'll land on the Cedcommerce onboarding screen inside Shopify. Here, look for the Connect Etsy button. Click Connect Etsy to start the linking process. Depending on your view, you may see that same Connect Etsy button on a couple of consecutive screens, such as a quick welcome step or a short checklist. Each time it appears, click Connect Etsy to advance. When you reach the connection page, select Connect your Etsy store. This begins the secure handoff so the app can link to your Etsy shop. If you're already logged into the correct Etsy account in your browser, the connection moves along quickly. If not, just be ready for on-screen prompts that guide you through. Continue following the highlighted instructions until the app indicates the connection process has started. That's it for this setup. We opened Shopify, went to Apps, searched for Etsy Integration, CED, selected the Cedcommerce listing, installed the app by confirming the prompts, and then launched the connection flow by clicking Connect Etsy, and finally, connect your Etsy store. If your screen looks a little different, just follow the highlighted buttons shown by Shopify and Cedcommerce, and you'll end up in the same place. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to proceed to